If you're new to the mountain, greetings, and if there's dirt under your fingernails, greetings again. Here on Digger Mountain, we have always carved our garden out of dense forest, as to which I can tell you this is the perfect size saw. This is literally the only saw that I ever purchased, and the first one was actually sent to us by a viewer. I'm Josh.
I'm Celia.
And this is Ivy. We live on a 14-acre mountaintop off-grid homestead here, and today is starting garden work. That's what the majority of this winter is going to entail for us, is piddling with the house, making some crafts and projects, but mostly getting this garden ready for next spring.
Who else wants some? Get this guy out of here. Come on.
What's up, sapplings?
Yeah. Hey, look at this guy. Get out of here. Work on your backswing here.
What's your feet? What's your legs? What's up your legs?
Yeah. Yeah. There you go. And hey, that's how you weed eat an area with a hand tool. You know, professionalism here.
You can do it.
You can do it. So I'm working on a review on this little guy right here. Thank you, Ben. I really wanted one specifically for climbing trees with, but also for just that lightweight brush cutting to sort of grab and go. So, world's teeniest little chainsaw here. It's an amazing little cute thing. So we're going to log up some of this brush and work on making posts. All right. little dude rocks. I don't know what it is about it being so handy. Like I say, it's mainly a climbing saw. I may even climb some trees with it. But like the ad says, when you buy this, not a toy. I would recommend him. Like I say, he's probably not as good as an Echo, but the Echoes are like $300, $400. One of these days, man. But right now, that guy's rock and roll. So all the logs like this, similar to this, are going to be posts for builds. Presumably, this little dude's going to become a part of my workshop. So, come on, buddy. Move you somewhere else. Two more posts. Have to get them out of here. Oh wow, this is cherry. Okay. Yeah, we're gonna build a workshop right here. All right, well, that is a lot of work. It's very difficult to take forest and turn it into garden, but obviously that is our plan here. We both really love gardening. A life without gardening is not really worth living for us. That's why I went through all of this effort, and there's so much more to go, but it's absolutely worth it. We love gardening.
And now we're going to go cut down some small trees on our current property for use as trellises. And there you have it. Even 5 years later, on a vastly larger piece of property, we're still using these smaller saws. Yes, an Echo would be better, and were I made of money, I would purchase one. But these small Chinese saws work perfectly well, and they're incredibly cheap. So if you're like us, and you want to preserve these larger trees, and you pretty much predominantly cut down the small ones, there's no point carrying a larger saw. So either way, if you liked what you saw, hit all of those buttons, buy a spring kit, and I'll see you next time here on Digger Mountain.